Welcome back. Today's a quick experiment for my data analytics students. We often struggle to find good visuals for our presentations. I want to see if AI can generate professional background video with sound in just one click. I'm testing Higgsfield's Kling 2.6 audio model. I'm on the dashboard now. I've selected Kling 2.6, and most importantly, I've turned native audio on. Let's paste in a few prompts and see if this is actually useful for us. First, let's visualize data ingestion. I've written a prompt for a digital river with computing sounds. Let me paste it in. Now, while this renders, it usually takes a minute or two because of the physics calculation. Let's talk about what is actually happening under the hood with Kling 2.6. The big update here is native audio. Usually, AI video is a two-step process. You generate the silent video, then you have to go find stock sound effects and edit them in manually. What Higgsfield is doing here is generating the visuals and the voice or ambience in a single pass. It's built-in scene blocking. That means no extra plugins and no extra editing. But visually, there's an upgrade too called better motion fidelity. You might have noticed with older AI models, small moving objects, like the binary numbers we just asked for, would often glitch or warp as they moved. This new engine calculates stable multi-object scenes and cleaner camera paths. So the global scene coherence is much higher, which is why we can get away with using this for professional presentations. And for us as educators and storytellers, the higher prompt precision is the real game changer. It's now much better at interpreting specific framing or emotional tone rather than just guessing. Okay, looks like the render is finishing up now. Okay, let's analyze this. Visually, this is great. The binary numbers are flowing smoothly, but listen to the audio. That digital rain sound is exactly what I wanted. If you're explaining a Python script or an ETL pipeline, putting this clip in the background makes your slide look incredibly high effort. Next, let's look at a dashboard. I want to visualize growth. I've prepared a prompt for a futuristic screen with rising metrics. While that builds, a quick note on why we use this model for data visualization. Kling 2.6 audio renders in full 1080p quality by default. That is critical for us. When you are generating dashboards with fine text or numbers, you need that fine detail realism, or it looks blurry. This is actually why the tool is marketed heavily towards advertisers and performance marketers. If you are running fast video ads where the sound and tone must match the message, like showing a company growing, having sharp visuals and synchronized audio in one pass is a massive workflow shortcut.
Performance is increasing rapidly. Data throughput reaching new heights. System performance is increasing rapidly. Data throughput reaching new heights.
Okay, look at the chart animation. It's very smooth. The audio here is key. It has those soft interface clicks. If you are presenting a case study or a Tableau project, using a clip like this as your hook is much better than a static screenshot. It gets the audience excited about the data. Moving on, we need to visualize where all this data actually lives, the cloud. I want to test the physics of the sound here. A data center is loud. It has fans and airflow. Let's see if the AI knows that. While this processes, let's talk about atmosphere. This ability to generate sound and video together is why Higgsfield is targeting filmmakers and VFX artists. Usually, locking out a scene with built-in atmosphere or auto-generated ambience takes hours of sound mixing. Here, it happens in the render. However, for us engineers, sometimes we don't want background noise. It is worth noting that Kling 2.6 has an optional silent output feature. If you just want the visualization of the server rack without the fan noise for a quiet presentation, you can toggle the audio off to get a clean, quiet render for editing. There it is. Listen to that hum. That industrial fan noise creates a really strong atmosphere. It proved the model isn't just random. It understands that servers equal fan noise. That accuracy is great for engineering breakdowns. Let's add one more test because security analytics is a huge topic right now. I want to visualize a cyber threat map, something you would see in a security operations center. I'm asking for a holographic globe with warning signals. Now, I am testing something very specific here: rotation and transparency. Holograms are usually a nightmare for AI video. When an object rotates, AI often forgets what the backside looks like, or the transparent textures start to glitch. This is where the Better Motion Fidelity update is critical. We need higher global scene coherence so the globe spins smoothly without warping the continents. Also, this is a test of higher prompt precision. I asked for warning signals. The model needs to interpret the action and style correctly to place those red dots in a way that looks like a threat map, not just random noise. Let's see if it pulled it off. Okay, this is impressive. Look at the globe rotation. It's handling the transparency of the hologram really well. It has those sonar pings and that low-tension drone sound. If you are giving a talk on cybersecurity or network traffic, having this running in the background sets a serious, high-tech tone immediately. It feels like a movie scene. So let's wrap this up. We tested 4 scenarios today: the digital river, the dashboard, the server room, and the security map. For me, the winner was the server room. The fact that it understood the sound of the fans and the airflow is what makes it useful for engineering videos. It saves us from hunting for stock audio. Now, let's talk about the price. Rendering video and audio together is usually expensive, but if you look at this chart, Higgsfield is currently the most affordable option on the market. And this is the critical part. If you are watching this video today, December 13th, they are running a launch deal. If you grab the Ultimate Plus plan, you get unlimited generations. As students, we need unlimited to experiment without worrying about credits. Check the link below immediately to see if that offer is still active. I've pasted all 4 prompts in the description so you can try them yourself. Let me know in the comments which one you liked best. Thanks for watching, and keep learning what matters.